Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add friends into your Discord and how many methods are there. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after opening the Discord, just simply go over your profile option, tap to profile, and then you will get to see a bunch of options into here, and one of them is your friends. Tap to your friends, and after going into this section you will get to see the add friends option into the top right and very bottom. Just simply choose any of those options, and after tapping into that you will get to see this find friends or share invite, copy link, messages, emails, and many more options till WhatsApp. You can choose any of those mentioned options in order to add friends into your Discord. You can share the link, you can send email, or you can WhatsApp the person who you want to add. Otherwise, you can also add by the username after searching the username of the person that you want to add, and then tap to send friend request, and then they will get your request through any of these mediums and they will accept your request and you guys will become friends. This way you can very easily add friends or check the methods to add friend in Discord. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.